6 Emerging Technologies of 2022. 1. NFT non-fungible token. It contains exclusive digital properties such as games, songs, GIFs, and videos. 2. Metaverse. Metaverse is a virtual 3D world that can enable a person to experience an animated environment. 3. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is a next-level internet which will be advanced, intelligent, human and more like. 4. Mixed reality. Mixed reality is merging real and virtual worlds together to create a new environment. 5. Humanoid. The use of humanoid robots will increase in 2022. 6. Quantum computer. Quantum computer is a powerful supercomputer that can perform huge tasks in few seconds. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.